Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Brian, and today I'm going to talk about 5 of my favorite apps that take advantage of the Galaxy Note 8's S Pen. And the first app at the top of my list is Samsung Notes. In Samsung Notes, you can either text or write. Very rarely do I text in there. I mostly jot down notes with my S Pen. Now, my favorite part of the Samsung Notes app is the magnified box at the bottom right section of the screen called the Easy Write Pad. Now, this Easy Write Pad allows you to write at a more natural size inside the box. And once you're done writing inside the box, what you wrote will transform to a smaller size and be placed neatly along the notepad line. So this means you don't have to worry about writing very largely on the notepad or writing at a crooked angle. It'll always go along the lines of the notepad, and it'll be placed nicely and very neatly inside those lines, and so that you have more space for notes. Now in Samsung Notes, you get 6 different pen options. You get a fountain pen, a calligraphy pen, a regular pen, a pencil, a calligraphy brush, and a highlighter pen. It's like having an arsenal of pens in one. All right, and the next app that I want to talk about is Autodesk SketchBook. Autodesk SketchBook, I've used it in the past on my computer. I do have a pen tablet, and I really enjoy using that application for drawing. Now, just like the PC version, you do have a large selection of brushes. It is a bit more advanced. The only downside to this is the free version only allows a maximum of 3 layers. I'm sure you can get more layers if you get the paid version. However, I'm not exactly sure how many more layers you get. App number 3 that I really enjoy using with the S Pen is Adobe Photoshop Sketch. Now, it's very similar to Autodesk SketchBook. However, they do offer a smaller pen selection. They offer a pencil, a pen, a marker, a paintbrush, and a watercolor brush. Now, you do get more layers in Adobe Photoshop Sketch. However, the maximum is only 5. The 4th app that I want to talk about is Adobe Illustrator Draw. There are no pencils available, so there's really no sketching that you can do. However, all of the brushes have solid strokes, so it's great for doodling cartoons. They offer 5 different types of brush strokes, and the best thing about this app is that they have a maximum of 21 canvas layers, including the background. The 5th app that I want to talk about is Adobe Acrobat Reader. The Note 8 having such a large screen, it's easy to read documents and forms, and using the S Pen is easy and far much more comfortable to do than on a smaller device. And because of the accuracy of the S Pen, your signatures and initials are much more natural looking. And those are 5 of my favorite apps that take advantage of the Galaxy Note 8's S Pen. Do you have any recommendations of your own? Leave them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Brian, the IT guy, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.